What if humans shifted to Mars?
Cool! Now, AumSum can rule planet Earth.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if humans shifted to Mars, humans may keep on rotating in those huge dust storms. Secondly, if humans shifted to Mars, our gold bars may now get replaced with red Martian rocks. Thirdly, if humans shifted to Mars, our pet dog may start really enjoying himself. Lastly, if humans shifted to Mars, aliens may shift over to planet Earth. What if Earth had Saturn's rings?
No big deal. AumSum's ring is the best.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, Saturn may absolutely hate this. Things might not end well for planet Earth. Secondly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, Earth's satellites may keep on exploding against its massive rings. Thirdly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, humans may start building huge number of buildings on Earth's rings. Lastly, if Earth had Saturn's rings, Earth's massive new rings and the Moon might collide with each other. What if the Moon exploded?
You are kidding me, right?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if the Moon exploded, nights on Earth might become pitch dark. Secondly, if the Moon exploded, gigantic waves on Earth may now get reduced to just a trickle. Thirdly, if the Moon exploded, Earth may immediately begin hiring a new moon. Lastly, if the Moon exploded, astronauts just about to land on the Moon might rush back to planet Earth. What if Earth became half moon?
Ew! Now Earth will have those dark spots.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth became half moon, Earth's shining moon half may keep on disturbing everyone's sleep. Secondly, if Earth became half moon, Earth's moon half may have extremely low gravity. Thirdly, if Earth became half moon, Earth's moon half may keep on changing its shape. Lastly, if Earth became half moon, Earth's moon half may increase the size of waves beyond a limit. What if Earth became half sun?
Ha! Now who will look at the sun?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth became half sun, people living on Earth's sun half may keep on sweating buckets. Secondly, if Earth became half sun, people living on Earth's sun half may always wear sunglasses. Thirdly, if Earth became half sun, planets may now say goodbye to the original sun. Lastly, if Earth became half sun, people living on Earth's sun half may never see snow again.